Sister, I'm back from Canada. I didn't make it.
I warned you, but you didn't listen. I asked you not to embark on this journey, but you didn't listen to me. You even sold the only land our parents left for us. You sold our properties just to embark on this journey, but I warned you. I know you wouldn't make it, but you didn't listen to me. Now look at you. You have become the shadow of yourself. Just take a look at yourself. What are you doing here in my house? Look, I am happily married now. I don't have time for this, and my husband will not accept anybody in this house. Get out of my house! I said, get out of my house! Get out of my house! I am the adult of this house. You didn't listen to me. I warned you, but you never listened. And now you expect me to help you. Hell no! I won't do that.